Hi everybody, I'm just coming at you with a quick periodic table lesson that I wanted to share with you. So you're going to get this presentation eventually, and I just want to make sure that you know what to do in it. So we're going to talk real quick about the periodic table, about groups and periods. So if I go to slide 2 here, you're going to see that it says I've got periods and groups. Periods run, this is called horizontally. So see how I got reds and oranges and yellows. Periods run left and right on the periodic table, and then groups run up and down on the periodic table. And so I have that written here for you. So periods run left to right, groups run up and down. Let me go to the next slide and talk specifically about periods. So this image that I took from the internet was actually incomplete. There are 7 periods total in the periodic table. It only had 6 on here. And so period 1 runs here and it's only 3 elements. Then you got period 2 and period 3. And then they get real long, period 4 through, and there is one down here. So 4 through 7, it's just not pictured. So these would be all individual elements here too. There are 7 periods on the periodic table. And groups, there are 18 groups on the periodic table. So 1, 2, these are not color coded for you, but through 18. So groups run up and down on the periodic table. Okay, so keep that in mind as we talk about the next thing. So this periodic table, it's numbered 1 through 7, and then 1 through 18 on the groups. So this is period 1, period 2, see how they're marked here, and they run horizontally, and this is group 1, group 2, group 3, and then all the way over to group 18. And then these belong right here. So this is actually period 6 and period 7. Remember I told you they pulled them out to make the periodic table more concise and smaller to fit on a sheet of paper. So this is actually period 6 and period 7. It belongs right here and right here. All right, so your homework's going to look like this. It's kind of like Battleship. So your homework looks like this. I'm going to say, I want you to find the element in period 2, group 1, and I want you to put it here. So let's go back to our periodic table. I need to find period 2, which is right here, and then group 1. So it's kind of like here and here. So the element in period 2, group 1 is lithium. So on this slide, I would want you to write the element symbol, which was Li, and then the element name, lithium. Now, please don't spell anything wrong. Look things up if you don't know it, okay? And then here, I want period 4, group 9. So let's find what's in period 4 right here. So I need to go until I get to group 9, which is right here. And that is number 27, CO. So think about what that is. CO is cobalt. Now, over here, capital, lowercase, capital, lowercase. If it's a 2-word symbol, it's a capital and lowercase. If it's only 1-letter symbol, then it's just a capital. All right, 2 more. 6, 18. So let's find period 6, and 18 is all the way over here. Okay, and so that is Rn. Now that's not an element you have to know. So if you don't know it, you're gonna have to look it up, but I'll tell you right now, it's a radon. And then 511, so I find period 5, and I keep going until I meet with period 11, which is right here. And that's number 47, Ag. That's one you should know. Ag, he's got my silver. Just like AU, he's got my gold, or give me back my gold. AG, he's got my silver. Your homework then, if we look at the next slide, is to do these. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them on here for you to do. When you get the homework, this slide will be erased, but everything else will look the same. So rewatch this video if you have questions. Otherwise, good luck and happy learning about periods and groups on the periodic table. Bye, everybody.